Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix your request could not be completed. This action could not be completed due to an error. Please try again later. For example, if you try to create Apple ID or try to log in into your Apple ID in Safari browser or any kind of browser, and you see this kind of error, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check for your Wi-Fi or data connection, which means you have to check whether your Wi-Fi or internet connection is working properly. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to turn it off again. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here what you have to do, you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here what you have to do, you have to simply reset all of your network settings. And after doing all of your network settings, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you do not have created Apple IDs from your iPhone recently, because Apple doesn't allow you to create too many Apple IDs from your iPhone. So if you are facing this kind of error, there is the main reason that you have created Apple ID from your iPhone once, and now it is not allowing you to create another Apple IDs from your iPhone. So you have to wait for some time, so that your request can be processed again and you can create your Apple ID again. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply search for the solution in Apple discussion, and after that you have to simply send a request to Apple support so that they can help you in a better way. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.